j2journal is a tool that can be used to create digital portfolios of learning that can be shared with parents. There are a number of customisable features in j2journal, so before beginning, it's worth spending some time deciding how you want this tool to work in your school. Head to the dashboard to find the controls for journal on a whole school basis. Here you'll find options for things such as, do you want parents and carers to be able to view the journal at all? Would you like them to be able to comment on the journal, and so on. And now we're ready to go into j2journal itself. To create a new journal, click New Journal. Again, we see some of the parental permissions. Here we're setting those permissions on a journal by journal basis. It's worth noting that you can only select these if the permissions have been enabled for your whole school. Select the class that you want to make a journal for. This can be a registration or a teaching class. And give this new journal a name. Click Create. Your journal has now been created. We can add folders within the journal to sort our learning. These might be different topics or subgroups within the class. Give your folder a name and create that folder. Now we're going to add the content by clicking New. A range of files can be added to a j2journal, including files from your My Files or from your Pupils files, files uploaded from your device, links to files created elsewhere, or multimedia recorded directly into the tool. Here, we're going to take one of my child's files. We have the option to add a title and a description. Entries can also be added that are just text with no added file. And click Next. Now we're going to tag all of the children who were involved in the learning. This can be multiple children. Only parents who are connected with those children will be able to see this piece of work, and click Create. Once you start to build up a larger number of files within your journal, it can be useful to use the filters to look at specific learners, folders or dates. These can be found in the panel on the left. Work can also be added to the journal directly from JIT and j2create. This can be added by teachers or by children, but for children, this will need to be moderated by the teacher before it appears in the journal. This piece of work here is being added by a child, and if I now go into my teacher's account, you can see that I have a little notification next to the review button here. There's that post, and I need to approve it before it will appear in the journal. Now to connect parents so that they can share in their child's learning. We need to go back to the dashboard for this and go to the Parents Carers tab. Select your class from the drop-down menu. Parents can be connected in two different ways. We can manually type in their email address next to the child that we want to connect them to. Or we can create a QR code that parents can scan to connect with their child. Either way, the process is the same for parents who will, once connected, have some simple instructions to follow to create their own account. Parents can download an app to view their child's learning. They will only ever see work their children have been tagged in within the journal. Parents can add likes and comments. But again, teachers will need to moderate the comments before they appear in the journal.